Hello there and welcome to Crewe Audi. Today I'm going to take you on a short tour of this brand new Audi A3. The car has the headlights with the daytime running lights, front headlight washer jets. Around the side here we've got the 17-inch 5-arm twin spoke alloy wheels. There's the chrome surrounds around the windows and the rear parking sensors. Now this is a brand new Audi vehicle, so you will get a minimum of 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance from the manufacturer. Now moving to the front of the vehicle. Inside we have the electrically adjustable heated exterior mirrors, the electric windows in the front and the rear with the child lock option. Got the silver inlays, automatic headlights and wipers, with the flat bottom multifunctional leather steering wheel, Audi's revolutionary virtual cockpit display, touchscreen MMI over here with navigation, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox and the beautiful full leather interior. So if you would like any more information on this Audi A3, if you would like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 864 091. Thank you for watching.